How to sell stocks on Cash App. Step number 1. Open the Cash App on your mobile device and log into your account. Step number 2. Once you're on the Cash App home screen, locate the Money tab at the bottom of the screen and tap on it. Step number 3. On the next screen, you'll see a list of options including investing. Tap on the investing tile to proceed. Step number 4. In the investing section, scroll down to the stocks owned section and tap on the company whose stock you want to sell. Step number 5. Once you've selected the stock that you want to sell, tap on the sell button to initiate the transaction. Step number 6. On the next screen, you'll see the current market price of the stock you're selling. You can select an amount or tap on the 3 dots to enter a custom amount. Step number 7. After selecting the amount, confirm the transaction by entering your Cash App PIN or using Touch ID. Step number 8. Once you confirm the transaction, your sale will be processed and the amount may be automatically deposited into your Cash App balance. Depending on market activity, sales proceeds may take up to 2 business days to be deposited into your Cash App balance. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.